Hi, I'm Liz, and this is the Premium Essential Oil Diffuser. And I thought, as I am trying to make my office better with the amount of time I spend in it, that one of the things I wanted to add is an oil diffuser. And so I just got this in. I wanted to do a quick video to show you what comes in the box. So they start with a note that says the charger adapter is in the water tank. So apparently they have had some issues with that in the past. Tells us to read the directions carefully. So we can see here, nice little guide for getting started with the diffuser. Looks like the directions are pretty well laid out. You can flip through this. I like when things are really nice and high quality, especially in this era of things that you buy on the internet before you ever see them. Like even the paper to this is pretty heavy, and I like that. So it gives you directions on cleaning your tank every couple days, specifications, warranty information, and also a quick little troubleshooting guide here, which I am sure that I will probably reference now and again. So then we get into the actual diffusers here. Let me pull this out without dropping it. So it does feel like the bag goes to the bottom there. So if you pull yours out, make sure you don't drop it like I just almost dropped mine. So now we have just the actual diffuser, and look how cute and like low profile this is. This is going to be super nice for in my office. So there's a light and you can turn it on. It looks like it has different voltages, high, low, and mist. So I like that a lot. I was hoping that this is what it would look like. Now, the thing at the bottom that I'll tell you is it looks really nice on video and in the pictures, and it is, but this is not an actual wood grain or anything else. It is definitely like a high level plastic with the grain stamped on it. So let's go ahead and see if I can get this open while we are here. There we go. So it just kind of snaps off. And on the inside here, we have the remote. Looks like big, small, light, continuous, timing, on, off, and intermittent are all of our choices there. And this looks like, yep, the charger that they told us was inside the water tank. So here's our water tank, and here is our charger. So I'm going to mess around with some of the oils that I bought to go with this, but now we know what is in the box here. I hope that helps.